How to dispute hard inquiry on Credit Karma. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can dispute a hard inquiry on Credit Karma. So to do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service, and also make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. In order to dispute hard inquiry on Credit Karma, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to have a basic idea about it. So before disputing a hard inquiry on Credit Karma, it is important to know what it is actually. So usually this kind of issue occurs when the lender checks your credit report as part of a credit application. It can also slightly impact your credit score and might appear on your credit report for a couple of years. So to begin on how you can dispute a hard inquiry is that first of all, you need to gather or collect all the necessary information related to the hard inquiry. It includes the name of a lender, date of the inquiry, any supporting documentation you might possess. So this information will be crucial when submitting your dispute. After that, on the step number 3, you need to check Credit Karma's dispute process. For that, you'll need to open up your web browser and navigate to the help center or dispute section. What you need to do is you need to review the guidelines and instruction on how you can dispute a hard inquiry. This process may vary slightly depending on any update to their platform, so make sure to follow the most recent instructions provided. Once you have the necessary information and understand the process, initiate the dispute through Credit Karma. This typically involves completing an online form. When you provide details about the hard inquiry, explain you believe it is an inaccurate or unauthorized, and submit any supporting evidence such as any photos or screenshots. After that, if the Credit Karma request any additional documentation to support your dispute, provide it promptly. This may include with the lender or any other evidence that backs up your claim. So follow the instruction carefully to ensure that your dispute is processed smoothly. After submitting the dispute, regularly check your Credit Karma account or email for any update on dispute resolution process. So Credit Karma will communicate with regarding the status of your dispute and any actions taken. While Credit Karma provides a platform for dispute inaccuracies, resolving a dispute can take a time, so be patient throughout the process. Credit Karma will work to investigate and dispute if necessary. Contact the lender responsible for inquiry. This will update you with the outcome of the investigation once the procedure is completed. In this way, you can dispute hard inquiry on Credit Karma. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.